Alright, welcome to the second system test for the new S.E.R. Today, in this test, we're going to be testing the dual smoke and heat detector that I have placed in the attic of the garage. And we're going to be testing the heat element using a hairdryer, which makes heat. So here we go. And as you can see, the alarms in this system test are a little bit different. I changed their bodies to red, and the alarms are now being coded to continuous instead of code 3. Go ahead and acknowledge the panel. As you can see, attic smoke and heat, alarm active. And you also might notice that there's quite a few changes to this whole wall right here. And over here too. So got a thermometer in the garage to measure the heat, got a fire alarm sign for the pull station area. We have the S.E.R. sign that's finally up. We have a fire extinguisher sign because we now have a fire extinguisher in the garage. The decision was made to get a pretty heavy duty fire extinguisher, of course from Kitty, and that is because we have a lot of flammable stuff in the garage, and you really never know what could happen. So, smart decision there, I think. And then also, we have a first aid kit. I'm gonna see if I can get a sign similar to this to hang right there for the first aid kit. And yeah, this corner looks super realistic, and I like it. And we can go ahead and reset the panel. So, while this panel is resetting, these first two system tests, you may have noticed that the theme has been EST, with the EST pull station and the EST alarms that I have. But the next system tests after this, I'm going to be changing it to all kinds of different alarms. As you can see, I have a pretty big alarm collection. So we're gonna see a lot of kinds of alarms in this series from now on. Anything from Spectre alerts to vintage pull stations and devices and all kinds of stuff. So get ready for that. Thank you guys for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day.